Hi, I'm Paul Coleridge of Coleridge Construction. Thanks for coming here. This is our renovation calculator that we built so that you can figure out how much it's going to cost. It's the first and one of the biggest questions that we get asked all the time. How much is our renovation going to cost? And this is our best calculator to figure out and help you decide what it's going to cost to do any of the work in your house. We've broken into a few different sections, kitchens, main floors, bathrooms, basement suites, and additions. And then you can kind of go choose your own adventure. So click through, pick one of the projects, and it'll ask you about some square footage. It'll ask you what type of finishes you want, whether you want custom, semi-custom, whether you want cost-effective, or whether you want really, really nice. It'll go through and ask you, are you moving walls? What kind of plumbing changes you're gonna make? It'll go into a bit of detail, but if you can get all that information in, it's pretty user-friendly, and then it'll give you a lot of helpful information and a lot of helpful guidance. Once you click submit, I'll get an email address from you, but it'll come right directly to your inbox, and then you'll have it and you can kind of choose your own adventure again. You can go and edit and play around with the email. You can go figure out what kind of costs are going to be associated with the project that you have in mind. It is preliminary. We haven't met. I haven't seen your house. We don't know the exact details, but it should be pretty helpful and informative so you can have some conversations with your family and figure out what's going to work for you. At the end of the day, you can play around with it, have some fun, and figure out if this is something that's going to work for you. And if you'd like to renovate, I'd love to book a phone call. I'd love to chat and meet and see where it goes from there.